YouTube 2011 Buick Regal with a 2.0 liter turbo 4-cylinder. And show you how to replace spark plugs today. It's a pretty easy task. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So I continue to make videos like this to make your life easy. Customers waiting. Let's get this done. First thing we're going to do is take your cover off, but get your little coolant hose right here out of the way. Just pull up on it. No bolts. You got your 4 coils you got to take off. 10mm bolt. This grommet goes on that cover. Sometimes those bolts don't come out that easy. Sometimes the bolts will have like a little piece of like a rubber O-ring on there to keep from coming out, but this one don't. If we can get all of them out without unplugging. And we are successful as I break my tools. This poor gun goes through hell. Still good. Get you a 5/8 spark plug socket. Hey, it actually pulled the plug out. Decided to work today, I guess. All right, 4 for 4. Garbage. Make sure you check your tips so they're not bent. Snug them down. All right. All right. Yeah, the reason why I avoided unplugging these is because I got these stupid locking tabs that always want to break. You try to take them out. GM and their genius design. All right. Go put all my tools away. Put the grommet back in here. Secure your hose. Let's start her up. Make sure she's firing on all 4 cylinders. Get these sweaty gloves off. Turn my light off. Feels good to me, y'all. Anyways, customer's waiting, so let me get his car back to him. I hope y'all liked this video. I hope y'all found it informative. As always, check like. And again, please subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Peace out, YouTube.